with our little charity shop, our charity shop box. Although it's very quiet, I think Will might not be here. So he's doing something with pallets. And we thought we'd make a little seating bit outside. We're going to grow plants on this gazebo. That's the plan. And we've got some hanging rails. So what's going on in here then? Oh look, we found lots of rails. Got some nice green grass. And look at all these goodies getting ready to hang up. What have we got in here? Some little tempting peek. And some pretty stuff happening in there. Funky jumper, look. This was mine. And I decided I didn't need it anymore. Oh, it smells nice. My mum's been at it washing stuff again for us. Ta-da! What do you think, Kiara? Do you like our charity shop idea? Look at this. Oh, that's clever. Hanging it from the roof.
Yeah. Well, it took me bloody nearly an hour to figure out just now.
Yeah, that's smart though, isn't it? Yeah.
It took me forever. How am I going to hang this?
Yeah.
I was looking for those curtain pole things, you get the wooden ones. Couldn't find any. I think we used the last ones we had. But no, it should be alright.
It'll be good though, isn't it?
Plenty of room, you've got plenty of rails.
Hooks for hanging up things here.
Yeah.
Chewy, stop doing it! Oh shit! Come here! Vamos, Chewy! Vamos, Chewy! Chewy! No, tú te quedas con papi. Tú te quedas con papi.
3, 2, 1, go!
You learn nothing from what
I see it touched the boat. Nope.
watching our video as always. I'm doing a sign out from our new beautiful internet cafe from me and Dula. And in case you're wondering, we're just going to add our bloopers in because this sign out was so much fun. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as we've enjoyed making this sign out. As always, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, see more stupid, see more animals. See you next week. It's like a handle.
An extended. It works so well. Oh no.